Okay, I received my air fryer accessories from Caxxa. I got it on Amazon. Let's see what we got here. Okay, some magnets with cooking times. I think there's 2 of these. Let's see. Some instructions. Okay, that's good. And no, these are FDA approved. Ooh, a recipe guide. Nice. There's pictures. This is nice. And here we go. So the first thing, I think this is supposed to be a thingy to actually pick out lift containers off of a pressure cooker, which I do not have. I own the Vortex Pro. So I don't know. Maybe I'm selling these on my Facebook Marketplace. It's nice though. It looks pretty sturdy. Nothing fancy. Next is a pair of tongs. It's pretty small, but I don't know. With this air fryer, it seems like you need small. And it's got the rubber tips, which is good, so we don't scratch. Oh, nice. It's got the extender thing so that you can store it closed. Okay. Next. We have, oh, these are the grates. Excuse my shoddy video skills. I'm not a YouTuber, videographer. So this is meant to actually make some shish kebab or skewers on the air fryer. You're supposed to lay this in there and lay them across these grooves with your meat and onions or peppers or whatever veggies you're gonna put on there. So I believe the skewers are supposed to come with it. I'll check for you in a bit. Ah, this is what I wanted. So this is for toast. You can lay a few pieces vertically. Instead of having to just use your trays on the Vortex, you can lay them all out like that. I suppose you still have to put that on a tray, but that's fine. And here's another one, I guess, to give a little bit more of a lift to a piece of meat. You would probably put this on the tray, add your meats on there, your bacon, and that way there's more air traveling under your meats, maybe for more of a crispiness. And let's see what we have in here. Okay, we've got a little silicone baster. That's always nice. And I like this. So this is a rubber Muffin Cup Holder, which I'm probably going to use to put some, not only some batter in there, but maybe some eggs. Maybe make some muffins, but I'm excited to use it with eggs, put a little cheese and veggies in there. So that's nice. That's got, you know, it's hard to tell because someone turned off the light. Can you turn the light back on? That's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. There you go. Thank you. And Next is the cake barrel, I think they call it. So this is meant for you to make cake. So that's going to be nice. It's good and deep. Get my finger, and it has a nice handle on it if you're using the pressure cooker pot. But again, I have the Vortex Pro. In there was a nice silicone mat meant to be used as a trivet, not inside the Vortex, but obviously outside when you take your stuff out and it's boiling hot. We have a nice little silicone trivet to put that on. And finally, a pizza pan. All right. For a nice pan pizza. I'm not much for a crisp crust, so this will work, but I guess if I needed to, I could use it upside down. And I have 100 of the parchment paper, pre-cut circles with the holes on them. So it's not the unbleached, it's bleached, but oh well. So that's pretty good. And I got all of this for about $26 on the Amazon site. And here's the name of the brand again. And I got it pretty quickly too. It didn't take a very long time. Okay, hopefully this is helpful to someone. Happy cooking.